Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing and permitting Y-Connect on your phone. This is required so the app can scan the bike. Once done, turn the Aerox ignition to on and confirm the battery reads healthy. Weak power prevents pairing. Next, make sure your phone is within 2 to 3 meters and that other Bluetooth devices are off so scans aren't confused. This first step gets both ends ready and avoids connection drops before you begin the pairing sequence. You now move into the pairing flow inside Y-Connect. Open the app and select Pair New Vehicle. Follow the app prompts which will start a Bluetooth scan. Meanwhile, on the Aerox execute the pairing button sequence specified in the manual, normally ignition on plus the instrument cluster button, so the ECU broadcasts. Once the app finds the bike, compare and confirm the numeric PIN displayed on your phone and the dash. Confirming binds the devices and establishes the secure data link. After successful bonding, finish the in-app profile and allow sync for diagnostics and ride history so the features work correctly. You should test a few functions, check location, read a diagnostic status, and record a short ride to confirm live data flows. If anything fails, try a quick troubleshooting step. Reboot your phone, clear Bluetooth cache, turn Bluetooth off and on, then retry pairing within 30 seconds. This usually clears stale device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.